That is the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. I'm going to tell you what the hell a Crown is. Yeah, all new. I'm glad you noticed. Quick gist, Toyota already sells the Crown sedan here in the US. The Signia expands the Crown range with more traditional SUV packaging. If you're wondering where the Crown Signia fits into the Toyota lineup, it's replacing the Toyota Venza. Let's all take a moment to mourn the Venza's passing. No mourning? All right, moving on. I personally think the Crown Signia looks great, but now's your chance to fill the comment section with vitriol, both pro and con. One unassailable positive about the Crown Signia is cargo space. As we get in here, okay, so we've got 60/40 split fold seats. You got these little releases right here, which make it very convenient to flop down. This is somebody's backpack, so I'm gonna not mess with that. But stay here, and I'm gonna go over here and show that there's a little extension. So this is 6.5 feet of space. And if I were a sassier journalist, I would lay in here. I'm getting too old for this. I will also note too that a power lift gate comes standard with kick activation. Not this one, but when you buy it in your dealership, it should do that. As you might be wondering, I am the ultimate average 5'10" man. Let's see how I fit in the second row. Hopping in here, oh, headroom is great. That's working really well. Now, I haven't set the front seat for my ideal position, but I think that's pretty decent. We've got good knee room. I like how the seat sits up, so I've got good floor space. As I move to the center position, we got a little bit of a hump here, but it is flat on top, so I think at a pinch, I could sit here for a little bit. Moving over here, one more position. I haven't checked. Can I recline these seats? I cannot. What I can do, though, is direct air toward me. These rear vents come standard. I'm a sweaty man, that's gonna come in handy. Up front here, I'm now realizing that if the car were on, I could move the seat far forward. It's actually in a pretty far back position. Also, they removed the gear selector because some people might steal that. Not me, obviously, but somebody might. I will note that material quality as you touch around here feels pretty good, nice and soft. Oh, we've got that cool dual function back and forth center console cover here. A couple of cup holders with a little bit of cutout in the middle, so if you wanted to put like an iPad in the middle here for some reason, you certainly could. A dedicated phone zone right here. And then we've got dual screens here, and I forgot how big they are, so I'm gonna let on-screen text do my dirty work for me, but I do know that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless, come standard. This seems like a very comfortable place for antiquing, let's be honest. Antiquing will happen from here. As a lazy automotive journalist, I appreciate a simple engine lineup, and boy did Toyota deliver. The sole powertrain is a 2.5-liter hybrid, returning 243 horsepower, 36 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, and offering standard all-wheel drive. The kind where the rear wheels are powered by their own electric motor. If by chance you want to tow with your Crown Signia, it can manage 2,700 pounds. And if you want to crash your Crown Signia, good luck! A full suite of active driver assist tech will do its best to mitigate your incompetence. I can't tell you how much it'll cost you, but I can tell you that the Crown Signia will wind up in dealerships in the summer of 2024. Also, did I mention that it's all new? Good.